In English, we speak of authenticity and coherence. Together, they form the dual engine that propels both the individual and society toward maturity. Modern psychology teaches us that when our inner beliefs and outward actions diverge, we experience cognitive dissonance, a tension that erodes well-being and trust. Authenticity fosters resilience, creativity, and self-actualization. Coherence builds credibility, enabling educators, leaders, and communities to inspire transformation. Thus, authenticity is not merely a personal virtue, it is a spiritual law. Coherence is not only a social necessity, it is the very architecture of transformation.